So my friend Erin came over, and I'm recording this because in a month from now we're going to be laughing about this moment. And I said, hey, her friend came over, and I said, do you guys want a chaffle? And they were like, a chaffle what? Like, what the chaffle you talking about? And I was like, yeah, yo, I got chaffles up in here. They're like, what? What? I know, they look like those, like, sweet, really super sickeningly sweet cookies. But these are chaffles, and they're made in a little chaffle maker that's like a little mini waffle maker. It's egg and cheese, and it tastes nothing like cheese, and it blows my mind. I used actually pizza cheese, which is cheesier than mozzarella, and it's still nothing, which is awesome. So you just flavor it however you want. These ones came out a little darker. I'm not sure why. I think it was the coconut. I put 3 tablespoons of coconut flour in, 5 eggs, equal parts cheese, shredded cheese, a little bit of water, mix it up, bam, there you go. I threw a little MCT oil in it too. It was MCT or olive oil, not sure. All right, that's a chaffle, everybody. But they came a little brown, and I think it was a coconut oil, coconut flour I used. I'm not sure because I've never had them look this good. I like the look of it. Chaffle.